Numerous waves of Russian attack helicopters take action over multiple Ukrainian military objectives. Russian Mi-24 or 35M and Mi-28N Russian attack helicopters can be observed. These images were taken by multiple people and posted on Twitter. We can once again observe the Russian military tactics at work: artillery attacks, cruise missile strikes, sporadic attacks with airplanes, and now attack helicopters. Most likely, ground forces will attack next, depending on the result of the airstrikes. We are following these events together.
Еще, блин.
Блядь, я что, не заснял нихуя?
Я снимаю. Откуда они все повылазили? Посмотри, сколько их много. Это точно?
Please subscribe to the channel.